Hi friends, today I'm going to show interface of GPS with the LPC2148. So for that, first of all we have to check GPS module individually, and then after we will interface it with the LPC2148. So here my GPS module is Ben 10 BN220 GPS. You can easily find its dataset on the internet. So I would like to show the connection first. So here, as you can see, the red is VCC and the last black is ground. This white is TX and green is RX. So for the sake of our simplicity, I use the FTDI cable. So through the FTDI cable I give it this one is VCC and this one is ground, connected to this by this cable to the GPS module. And when we plug in, first of all this blue LED will blink, and when it catch up the signal, then this PPS red LED will start blinking. So I connected GPS TX pin, this white one, to the RX of the FTDI cable. You can see here the yellow one is the RX of the FTDI cable. This is the serial cable, and I connected it to my laptop, and I will show on the XCTU how it gets the data. So I have opened the XCTU here. Now you can see it gives the data. So let me first clear the screen so it will be more clear. I clear the screen. Now it start to getting data. To stop, let me close the COM port. Yes, now here you can see there are different parameter like GLGSV, GNGLL, GNRMC, GNGGA, and this type of data. So these are the different format to get the latitude and longitude. So here I'm going to use this data where it is as you see, I have opened its dataset GNRMC. So first of all, after the string, sometime it shows GNRMC, or some in some format it shows GPRMC. So first this is showing the time, then the status. If the status is A, then this data valid, and if it's V, then it's navigator receiver warning. There is something mismatch of the data. Then after the data is latitude, here you can say, then north or south, then longitude, and then east or west. Similarly we can see here. Yes, so in our case we have here GNRMC. So 184307.00, this is the format of UTC time, right? Then after we are getting A, so it's the valid data as we saw on the dataset. Then after this is latitude, then north pole, this is longitude, and the west pole, and these are the other parameter you can see. So this latitude and longitude detail we program such like that. I can show you my program. Here we have program. So in that we have 1 minute. Yeah, we are getting the string from GNRMC, as you can see here, and it's we gonna store only latitude and longitude, and according to that we have set our UART port and its program. So I have its serial. Yes, so whatever data we wanted to get, we have to program accordingly. So I will connect to this same thing to the LPC board, and then I will show you again. Yes, so now I have connected my GPS to my LPC2148 board. So GPS TX pin is connected to my LPC RX pin, and LPC's TX pin connected to FTDI receiver pin, so means RX pin, so that we can get the same we can get connected to the same terminal on the XCTU, so we can see our LT and LGS I have program in latitude and longitude. So the same thing I'm going to show you now. Open COM port. and see here you can see LT means latitude and LG means longitude. As I program it constantly, it little bit varies due to the weather, but if we gonna paste the same value on the Google Map, then it will show us nearby location. That's it. Thank you.